Hi, I'm Lauren with the Plano Public Library. Today, we are going to make a drink dispenser using items from around the house. We will use air pressure to move our drink, showing the effect of pressure on movement. STEAM concepts help your child's cognitive development as well as develop your child's critical thinking skills and encourage creativity. Air and its particles are crashing into us all the time. And what we call air pressure is the force of these particles hitting a surface. Air pressure is determined by 3 factors: temperature, measuring the degree of hotness or coldness; altitude, which is the height above the ground or above sea level; and moisture, which is the presence of water in the air. When a pocket of air pressure is changed, movement begins. This difference in pressure can cause weather events like wind or tornadoes. We affect air pressure every day, like when we drink through a straw. As we suck in air through the straw, we reduce the pressure inside the straw. This makes the pressure outside the straw greater than the pressure inside the straw. This change in pressure pushes the liquid up the straw, allowing you to drink it. To demonstrate how changes in air pressure cause movement, we are going to create a drink dispenser using the pressure of the air to move our drink from the dispenser into our cup. Let's get started. What did you notice as you released the clothespin from the balloon? How fast did the water dispense into your cup?